Hey everyone, in this short demo, I will show my decentralized sports betting protocol, built on Uniswap using custom hooks. Warning note, this implementation is not yet production ready. Oracle integration for automated match resolution is still in progress. Let us start with the white paper in my GitHub repo. The protocol introduces a decentralized sports betting hook built on top of Uniswap V4. We use the logarithmic market scoring rule to dynamically calculate fair, probability-weighted prices for betting on outcomes. This protocol allows users to place bets by swapping USDC into the following pools: USDC home win, USDC home lose, and USDC home draw. This is the first on-chain betting protocol to support all three outcomes, moving beyond simple binary bets. An external oracle finalizes the match result after the game ends, which allows the protocol to automatically pay out the winning side. The LMSR model updates prices based on demand, meaning the more people bet on a particular outcome, the lower its potential payout, just like in a real market. We can find the derivation of the betting cost here. Now let's look at the smart contracts and hooks. Inside the SRC folder, we have the hook. We have three different outcomes: win, lose, and draw. When we scroll below, we see the hooks we are using: before add liquidity, before swap, and before swap delta. First, we add liquidity to all three pools. The magic starts in the before swap function. This runs just before a swap is executed on Uniswap V4. Here's where we apply the LMSR logic, recalculating cost and adjusting token amounts so that users get outcome shares based on live, dynamic odds. We need to register all the users who bet by using this swap function. For now, we only allow for exact output swap, being the exact amount of win, lose, or draw tokens. The placeBet function is called and it determines the cost of the bet, the USDC amount according to LMSR. For example, user 1 buys an exact amount of 200 win tokens. The placeBet function has the arguments: outcome, the amount of tokens, and the user. The claim winnings function makes sure the winners can claim their prizes. The get market cost is the LMSR cost function. Finally, we have some functions to open the betting market, closing the market, and settle the outcomes. Now let's jump into the test suite. We're using Foundry to simulate a full prediction market flow. We have three users that make their bets. We have 4 tokens in total: USDC win, lose, draw. We manually deploy our 4 tokens and mint the amounts. Here we can see the flags for the hooks. We initialize 3 pools. The first test is that we cannot modify the liquidity here, so we expect it to revert. The main test then is to make the bets and check the prize winners. First, we open the market and let user 1 make a bet. Here we see the amount in the swap router. It's important to register the users who make the bet. Then we have a second user. And the last user, user 3. We check all the balances before and after the swap. Then we close the market and resolve the outcome. Let's now have a look at the output. We see the addresses of all 4 tokens. We see the amount of liquidity in the pool manager. User 1 makes a bet. He buys 200 win token, and the cost is 75 USDC. User 2 makes a bet on lose. User 3 bets on draw. User 1 is the only winner and claims his prize. And that wraps up this walkthrough. Thanks for watching.